Welcome to Haitian Creole Vocabulary, Lesson 4, numbers 1 through 10. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Please note that there are more than one way to say the number 1 in Haitian Creole. Un is only used when counting. Un, deux, trois. 1, 2, 3. When it comes before a noun, the word is yon. For instance, I have one book, moi gen yon livre. But if you want to say, give me one of those books, you would say, ba mwen youn or yon nan liv sa yo. Now that you know the numbers 1 through 10, visit our website to learn more.